In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do COQL query in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a secure connection set up so you can run COQL, Zoho CRM's object query language, for fast, SQL-style reads of your CRM data. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage while signed in to the right organization. From here, click the Setup Gear icon in the top bar. This opens your administrative settings, where we'll create the connection that authorizes COQL access. In Settings, head to Developer Hub and open Connections. Connections let you authorize services securely without hard-coding credentials. Click Create Connection to begin. When asked for a connection type, choose Zoho OAuth. OAuth is the secure recommended method Zoho uses for permissions. Think of it as a safe handshake that grants only the access you approve. Give your connection a clear, memorable name. A good tip is to include what it's for and the environment, such as ZohoCRM.coql.READ prod, so teammates immediately know its purpose. Next, in the scope search bar, type ZohoCRM.coql.READ. Scopes define exactly what the connection can do, and this one grants read-only access for COQL queries. When it appears, select the checkbox to enable that permission. Keeping scopes minimal is a best practice for security. Click Create and Connect. You'll see an authorization prompt. Click Connect to move forward. If you manage multiple orgs or accounts, confirm you're authorizing the correct one. On the consent screen, check the box acknowledging the requested access, then click Accept. That's it. The connection is created and authorized. A quick recap. You opened Settings, went to Developer Hub, created a Zoho OAuth connection, named it, added the ZohoCRM.coql.READ scope, and completed the authorization by connecting, checking the consent box, and accepting. With this in place, you can run COQL queries from Deluge functions, extensions, or integrations that reference this connection. COQL is ideal for precise, performant reads, filtering, sorting, and selecting only the fields you need, similar to a select statement, without broad API calls. Because we use the read-only scope, it's safe for reporting and dashboards. If you don't see Developer Hub or connections, you might need admin privileges, or your role may need an update. Also, ensure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the authorization step. You're now ready to query CRM data cleanly and securely using COQL through your new connection. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe for more.